Good morning, my dear students. I am Agrawal Miss, your maths teacher. Today we have to learn about exercise 1B mind gym question number 2. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? In ascending order, we arrange the numbers in smallest to smaller to greater digit. Understood? So write ascending order. First note down C.W date and day. Then let's start. Our given numbers are 2 crore 15 lakh 63,872, 63 lakh 78,458 and 9 crore 61 lakh 72,387 and 41 lakh 877. So we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. So students, which numbers is smaller among these numbers? 41 lakh 877. So write here 41 lakh 877. Then among these three numbers, which one is greater? ये भी करोड़ में आ रहा है, 2 करोड़, ये भी करोड़ में आ रहा है. सो दिस 63,78,458. Done. Then among these two numbers, which one is? अब आएगा नंबर 2 crore 15 lakh 63,872 एंड लास्ट में आएगा 9 crore 61 lakh 72,387. This is the ascending order of given number. Then our question number 2 is 1 crore 67 lakh 34,236 and 39 lakh 84,764, 4 crore 56 lakh 78,005 and 39 lakh 84,674. Among these numbers, which one is smaller? So which one is smaller? 39 lakh 84,674. So student, write here 39 lakh 84,674. Then among these numbers, which one is smaller? This number 39 lakh 84,764. Then among these two numbers, which one is smaller? This one. 1 crore 67 lakh 34,236 and at last 4 crore 56 lakh 78,005. Understood? Then question number C. 2 crore 105 and 30 lakh 105 and 4 crore 105 and at last 50 lakh 105. Among these numbers, which one is smaller? 30 lakh 105. Then Among these three numbers, which one is smaller? $50 lakh 105. Then among these two numbers, which one is smaller? 2 crore 105, and at last 4 crore 105. Understood? वैसे ही अभी हमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सॉल्व करना है, जो कि है अरेंज द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर वी अरेंज द गिवन नंबर्स इन greater to smaller one. So students, let's start. 19,36,724, 1 crore 97,63,248, 17,69,342, and 2 crore 97,63,442. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order, means greater to smaller number. Understood? So which one is greater? 2 crore 97 lakh. Right here, 2 crore 97 lakh 63,442. Understood? Then this number is greater. Among these three numbers, which one is greater? 1 crore 97 lakh 63,248. Understood? This number. Then among these two numbers, which one is greater? 19,36,724, and at last 17,69,342. Then question number B. This is the descending order of the given numbers. Then question number B. 64,76,893. Then 5 crore 21,47,289. 4 crore 92,568, and 2 crore 59,86,374. Among these numbers, which one is greater? We have to write these numbers in descending order. So which one is greater? 5 crore 24 lakh 5 crore 21 lakh 47,289. 5 crore 21 lakh 47,289 is greater, and we have to find among these three numbers which one is greater. So which one is greater? 4,92,568. 4,92,568. Then among these two numbers, which one is greater? 2,59,86,374 is greater. And at last 64,76,893. आ रहा है समझ में बेटा? उसी प्रकार अब हम करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर सी को सॉल्व. 3,40,81,125, 6,93,41,152, 4,68,37,118, 1,39,76,256. We have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So which one is greater? 6,93,41,152. Then 4,68,37,118. These number. And among these two numbers, 3,40,81,125. Then at last 1,39,76,256. These are the descending order of the given number. Then we will move to question number 4. Circle the greatest number. Among these numbers we have to circle the greatest number. First question is 27,83,924, 6,25,31,521, and 38,73,925, and at last 4,62,70,184. Among these four numbers, which one is greater or greatest? So which one is greatest? Six crore 25,31,521 is greatest. ये तो सबसे छोटा नंबर हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि सभी नंबर्स में करोड़ प्लेस वैल्यू है ना. ये 7 डिजिट का नंबर है और बाकी सभी नंबर्स 8 डिजिट के हैं ना. देन अब हम इनकी सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट वाली प्लेस वैल्यू को कंपेयर करेंगे. फर्स्ट नंबर में है 2, सेकेंड नंबर में है 6 और थर्ड नंबर में है 4. तो विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर? 6. सो 6,25,31,521 is greater. Then second one, 5,89,03,864, 2,93,21,586, 93,84,471, and 82,10,083. So which one is greatest? These three numbers these two numbers are 7 digits. So it will not considered. Then we have to find greatest number. So we have to compare among these two numbers. अब हम इनकी ग्रेटर प्लेस वैल्यू पे जो नंबर्स है उनको कंपेयर करेंगे. यहाँ पे है 5 और इधर पे है 2. तो विच वन इज़ ग्रेटर? 5,89,03,864 is greater. So we have to circle the greatest number. Understood? Then 16,72,721, 38,49,424, 12,68,393 and 76,79,311. Among these four numbers, which one is greater? सबसे पहले तो ये सभी नंबर्स हैं 7 डिजिट के नंबर्स है ना, तो हम इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू कंपेयर करेंगे. फर्स्ट नंबर में है 1, सेकेंड नंबर में है 3, यहाँ पे भी है 1, तो ये हो गया कैंसिल. देन इन दो नंबर्स के बीच में कंपेयर करेंगे, तो यहाँ पे है 3 और यहाँ पे है 7. तो विच वन इज ग्रेटर? 76,79,311 is greater. So student, you have to solve these exercise 1B, question number 2, 3 and 4 in your notebook. So students, solve it and enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.